Guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Some curry chicken back recipe, please. Jamaican cooking, lumberjack, please. Like and share. So I'm going to show you how to prepare my recipe. All I spice in the sea, spice them and thing there, curry and thing. Season the chicken back, well cut up and see flour, cornmeal, water there. You can see. So I'm going to show you how I season up my meat. Some cut up season and grill season and thing. Wash fresh. Nice. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack, please. Remember for like and share. So I'm starting program season right and thing now. So I'm going to show you the mustard, the season and the chicken and thing. Yes, peeps. So recipe I have a nice, eatable, tastable. Remember for like and share. Watch the video to the end. Peeps, the recipe are nice. Please like and share. Some season chicken back and thing now. Some curry hot and thing. So you don't know, see water boil it. Some garlic, some island thing. Yeah. Garlic flavor and taste. So now I add the curry. This is the way I burn my curry, right? Some people put curry and chicken, but me like burn my curry. So I show me to my grandfather and my grandmother. First time they was cooking all the teeth, right? Yeah, so I burn the curry. Yeah. Burn the curry. Get my piece on here. Stir the curry and things. I don't know I burn the curry first. Once you burn the curry, recipe can run. Recipe just nice, eatable and tastable. I'm going to show you the garlic and things peeps. Come on, garlic to flavor the oil and flavor the curry, right? Just to keep some burn curry for about 3 to 4 minutes, right? Yeah. You don't want the curry get too black enough. I don't know it have a chicken back have a bit of taste, so just put on normal levels. Yeah. So add the chicken back and things for you peeps. Yeah. So I go on there. Recipe and things that you don't know it. Now stir fry this man for 10 minutes, right? So you don't put the cheese in it and see everything you want and things. Yes, please. So cover on pot now. Stir fry it 10 minutes, please. I don't know if the recipe is eatable, tastable, delicious. I'm starting by turning up my chicken back in the curry to get the color and the flavor. Yes, please. So please, watch your video carefully. So I have some cornmeal and flour and salt right here. So we're going to make the dough. So make the water go and boil up on thin peeps. So I show them step by step. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. So you cover it like you want to taste, stir fry same here. So water boil, so you don't need up and thing the peeps. Another update on the curry chicken back. I can see banana right there, so I see chicken back here. Yes, my peeps. So I'm going to start putting my dumpling to the pot now and thing. I see water boil, extra boil up and thing now. Another update on the curry chicken back again. So I have some master Charlie night. I never show add some water peep. I never show that part there. I never show enough with master Charlie night and thing, but I don't know. Just be a cook and smell nice and sweet. See dumpling in the ground like I can peeps, so you don't know about the banana and thing. So update on the curry chicken back and stir it up and thing, because I don't want to eat up. So I don't have to stir the pot and start to burn up peeps. I don't want the food to burn up, right? Guys, the recipe are nice, eatable, tastable, delicious. So guys, I don't know, add the banana to the pot and thing. So first and foremost, I put the banana skin. But why I put the skin now, take away the stain. Can use cooking oil also, but you don't know. I use the first time when I did the seed. So just put the banana skin instead of the pot full over full. No, say pot over full, but you don't know. Yeah, we don't respond. So we have to cook the pot to seed, so we have to do the pot how we want it. So we start to throw up my chicken back and things, because you don't know, so right now they are hungry. I'm out to run water and things. So I say, yeah, so you know, so the chicken back ready right now and thing, yes, please. You don't know, see dumpling there. But I'll start now, please, because a fresh food is easy. Why you pot away there? Banana them fresh, just come out of the farm, right? Yes, so you don't know, so you take out this fat and thing, but you don't know. Alright, if I go and cook this up, another update on the curry chicken back, eatable presentation. Yes, see dumpling and the banana cook and thing the peeps. So until the next 5 more minutes and thing here. Another update again, the bubble down and thing, yes peeps. Please watch the video to the end, like and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, this recipe is eatable, tastable, so you don't know the recipe is soon ready. See curry chicken back, well presentation and thing there. I tell them peeps, I tell somebody are hungry. You know, simple, natural curry chicken back. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack, please like and share. So peeps, recipe ready and now see the presentation, see banana, see dumpling there, curry chicken back, see master, see all of the spice and things. Please like and share, remember to subscribe. The recipe is eatable, tastable, delicious. Guys, recipe now until somebody are hungry, you never know. Please remember to like and share, remember to subscribe.